If you are thinking of how to earn more money to get out of debt, pay your bills, or live a better life, listen closely. Let me tell you what you need to do. What if I told you that you only need to be good at one thing, just one skill? You simply need to look at that one thing you are doing now and ask yourself, how can I make more money out of this? Let me focus on professionals who are employees of a structured organization. As an employee, you sell your skills and your time to your organization. You need to ask yourself, how do I sell these same skills and time to more buyers? There are at least 4 buyers you can sell the same skills to and earn more money. Individuals, organizations, platforms, and courses. In this video, we will look at selling to individuals. Let's say you are an accountant who works 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mondays to Fridays at ABC Enterprises, and you are paid $1,000 at the end of the month. To increase your earnings, you need to think of individuals who need your accountancy skills. Solopreneurs or one-man businesses need it. You can provide consultancy services for them. Students preparing for ICANN and ATS need it. You can start an online paid-for tutorial. You can also put the training together as a course and they can buy it. Did I also mention that you can put the training together as an ebook and sell it for as low as $5 and you start earning money even when you sleep? How about making content of it and putting it on YouTube and TikTok and earning money from views? The options are endless. In the Ansoff Matrix Growth Strategic Framework, this is called market development, which refers to the selling of existing products into new markets. In my next videos, I will tell you how to sell that one skill to the other 3 buyers I mentioned earlier